What's up, YouTube fam? This is my 2021 BMW F900R, and I have the NRC front fork turn signals. 54 millimeter is the ones that I used. Very simple install. You can't really tell on the video, but in person, these are super bright, way brighter than the stock turn signals that were originally right there. It's a very easy install. All you do is you unscrew the front there, then you put maybe a pair of needle nose pliers or so to get the back bolt there. You turn it, it comes off, and then you just splice into the wire. Just run the cabling down. You can attach it. I think I have two or three tie straps just so it's a super clean look, so it's hard to tell on there, but it pretty much looks like it's part of the motorcycle. There we go, and just right here. Thanks for watching.